I have a completely different take to the reason why Ungizwe is trending. Um, Ungizwe, a video of Ungizwe is trending right now, and he basically over like bande washaya ama school kids, right? Not school kids per se, but a guy who looks like ongasafundi isikole, but you don't really know his age, so it could be ukuthi mhlawumbe waphuma esikoleni last year, and Ungizwe is seen taking out his belt and hitting this boy because ukhuluma ne-school child. Yes, I understand ukuthi vele 80% of males have really bad intentions for young women, but I do feel as though Ungizwe, I just hate adults that bully kids. Like, I don't like that, because as much as you're an adult and you understand, yeah, this guy doesn't have good intentions, but it was a very embarrassing ordeal for the girl who was innocent in the matter. Yeah, she'll look back and be grateful, but at the moment, I feel like teenagers, young people are very fragile and vulnerable, and some others are not mentally strong enough to be able to handle public humiliation, because ngiyacabanga ukuthi leyo video mi-trend mhlawumbe abazali bakhe babonile, uma wakhe ubonile, and she feels humiliated, and even the guy feels humiliated, and it's like you never know what can send a person over the edge, and then that person decides to say and then they kill themselves. So mental health is so important. I feel like abantu abadala, usually the reason why they disconnect with their kids when they become teenagers is because abantu abadala forget because they were once teenagers. Imagine when you were a teenager and you were in love with a particular person, and you thought that the feelings were innocent. You didn't understand the other person's motivation as a woman. And as a guy, some guys genuinely do like the girl. Not all guys. Yes, all guys want like one thing, but at the same time, it's like you can't really see the intent, because ikhona futhi ingane encane eshadayo siyacela bashada bena 15 yabo. So into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi when you were a teenager, if what Ungizwe did to that child, to that boy, happened to you, how would you feel? If it happened to your brother, how would you feel? And I feel like he was wrong. Like, what if that was her brother? Okay, let's say they were in a compromising position and boyfriend, you could have just got out of the car and had a conversation. There was no need for you to get violent and embarrass them. I feel like there's no excuse for embarrassing someone. Like, there's no excuse for embarrassing someone, and I feel like Ungizwe is dead ass wrong for embarrassing that boy. Like, I hate that he's trending for the wrong reasons, and I feel like, and foot, I know people are gonna say, oh, they're gonna come for me and all of those things, but my opinions, people don't get them, but they later on see what I'm saying, and that's because people are empathetic from outside of the situation, but when they're inside the situation, they want people to be sympathetic and empathetic towards them, and it's fucked up. When you're a kid, you did not know what you know as an adult, so it's very important to be very like ube understanding when you deal with kids, because development of ingqondo yenu is different. Ingane isacabanga njengengane, isacabanga with that it looks at the world through rose-colored glasses, and for you to come and humiliate her with no reasoning behind it, it just looks like we are twins, and it looks like you're bullying them rather than trying to teach them a lesson, and it doesn't land. The lesson doesn't land. It doesn't land. It makes it seem like more than you did actually. And kids now, they're not afraid of suicide. Hey, like, and I'm not laughing to make light of the situation. I'm laughing just because it's uncomfortable, and when something's uncomfortable for me, I laugh. So I don't like how Ungizwe is trending, and I don't like men's approach to parenting. Like, get violence. That's why a lot of people hate their fathers. Like 80% of adults hate their fathers, and that's why our fathers, they'll never get our respect, because they can say whatever, but it's like when you can't always, and because of that selfishness, I'll never ever put you first. I'll never ever respect you. I will never ever take notice of you, because you can't think of anybody but yourself, and you can't think of anybody over yourself, and that's the problem. Like, you have too much main character energy, and that's why nobody likes you. That's why none of your kids like you. It's actually you. It's like it's you, and so yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't think it's funny, and I think that I feel like if I were the adult child, I was gonna press charges.